The wisdom of the colors, and the splendid beauty of the smartness, integrator and technology, into a whole. It comes from an invisible secret, beyond the reality. When you are willing to discover, the world will come into the view. It will be excited for you. Listen to the story for you, and show the rapid change to you. All happened because of Retop. Adhering to the fearless belief, Retop looks for the most resplendent colors, for the ultimate achievement. It focuses more on the details and quality, and its light is able to withstand the glitz of the years.
I'm sales manager from Overseas Sales Department. Retop concentrates on OEM and ODM service. We firmly believe the quality is the solid product and service of our project. Retop is a strong backup 24 hours per day, 7 days per week. We are experienced, we are devoted, and we believe that we will be our best partner for cooperation.
Retop has 28 kinds craftsmanships and makes the details perfect. It, which complies with the international standards and integrates the technology into the manufacturing, defines Retop as the new benchmark in LED display industry. The challenge is our motivation. We are fully committed to introducing electronic product design standards and safety specifications all over the world. We continuously improve our research and development capabilities and develop 4K and HDR, fine pixel pitch HD products. Each leap in Retop is regarded as a new starting point. 20 product performance tests, 15 reliability tests, 3 safety tests, 11 EMC reliability tests. Every strict and serious tests, just for your trusts. Retop believes the beautiful color interprets in real life. With the pursuit of perfect acme of product, we bring Retop color to all global users. As a subsidiary company of ETI Group, Retop specializes in LED products, build a complete and supporting production line of industry, with an operation center in Shenzhen, and more than 20 billion square meters manufacturer base in Zhuhai. Our products have obtained 56 invention patents, 73 utility model patents, and 67 appearance patents. Retop has offices in USA, Europe, Southeast Asia, and other cities in China. Basing on the lean manufacturing and large scale of production, Retop provides customized service for professional customers, whole solution from visual effects to system implementation, and builds a strong technical support system. Along the way, we are not only taking about one kind of success, but also willing to share many kinds of courage. The same belief in every details, confirming the solid footprints of Retop people. Taking time as a mirror, we are loyal to the changes of the times. We have served more than 30,000 successful cases and gained the trust of international renowned brands. Retop emerges in the commercial centers of cities around the world and international renowned sports events and international activities. Setting the record of the Guinness World Largest LED display captured the focus of tens of millions of visitors. Retop has become one of the representatives of international LED application products made in China and created in China. We are thinking deeply the needs of users, offering the best service and experience, and displaying the beauty of extraordinary quality.
经过20多年的发展，瑞拓品牌在行业内家喻户晓，而且有非常强的影响力。瑞拓呢，我们是侧重于户内小间距和户外节能产品的研发、生产和销售，承诺给客户提供最优质、最全面的解决方案。我们的目标就是要做行业内的领跑者，要做就做最好。
Retop, make your vision more colorful.